Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss if you block someone on Snapchat and they disappeared from your friend list, then how you can fix that. First of all, I will try to unblock a friend, and after that I will unblock the same friend, and I will tell you how you can get back that friend into your friend list. So I am going to select that friend. For this, what we have to do, if you want to block that friend, you have to press and hold that friend. After that you have to click on manage friendship, and here you have to click on block. So I am going to block that friend. Now if you want to unblock, for this you have to click on setting and you have to scroll down and you have to click on block. As you can see, that friend is present in my block list. If I click on that, then it will be unblocked from the Snapchat. But if I check my friend list again, that friend is still not available. And if I close the Snapchat and open the friend list again, that friend is still not available. Now if you want to get back that friend, then what you have to do, you have to simply add that friend again on your friend list. For this, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you remember that friend username. So I am going to put that friend username here. So here, as you can see, I am going to type that friend. So here, as you can see, that friend is available now, and you have to add that friend again. So if you click on that friend, add, and it is added in your friend list and they have accepted your friend list, and after that if you check again your friend list, then that friend will be available after that friend has accepted your friend request on Snapchat. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.